What exactly is a DeepSeek that basically wipe out almost $600 billion of media in last few weeks? In this video, we are going to discuss about what exactly is a Chinese model, which is a DeepSeek, right? How you can run it 100% privately into your system, why it is important, what are the different features that are important for us, how exactly ChatGPT sucks and where DeepSeek basically is there. Practically, I will be showing you here in this video, like how exactly you can basically use the models with different parameters. I will be showing you how you can run it parallelly by using Chatbox, by using anything LLM and Chat4GPT, multiple versions, and practically I will be showing you. And one more thing, I will be showing you like how exactly you can host them in your system locally and how exactly I am using. All right. So let's see, guys, what exactly is a DeepSeek? First of all, right? DeepSeek is a R1 Chinese model that was released few days back and it disturbed the market, right? Basically, it become the top app in the App Store. It becomes on the Google search, on the Android. Right? It has taken over the ChatGPT a long way. So this is what we have noticed. And why it is important? First of all, it is the most important thing that you need to see. For example, just check out this tweet by the DD, which is it is 25 times cheaper than the GPT, which is very, very important, right? And Trump is also concerned about this because this Chinese model basically beats the ChatGPT by a lot. And that's where the Nvidia stocks basically have gone down, because you can run the DeepSeek latest or the smallest model, which is 1.5 billion one, on your phone. Can you imagine that you are running a chat LLM directly into your phone? So those things also you can do that. Okay. So another important point why DeepSeek is important is because if you are using a bad prompts into your chat GPT or something, right? This reasoning model, especially, it is a reasoning model, especially which can understand, it has a chain of thought. It can basically fine tune itself. You can host yourself and it can basically run. Guys, one of the important things that you need to understand is it is open source, where ChatGPT source code and everything and weights are basically not. So here is the important thing. So whenever something is open source and important, right, you can modify, you can fine tune, developers can find, and you can host yourself also. That we are going to see, right? Different features which I like, which is that you can have 1.5 billion parameters. Parameter is, you can say that, okay, it's like a brain. For example, the more billions that you have, it's like a more mature AI. So when you have 671 billion parameters, right, it's almost 401 GB. It's like an amazing one where you will see the amazing results, which basically beats everyone like OpenAI, DeepSeek, even OpenVini, which is GPT latest one. Which we can see on the Codeforces programs, GPA program, maths program, and many way. Okay, so where is this ChatGPT lags? Actually, this is the most important question, right? I remember this meme that I have seen where OpenAI, where it has all the tools, it has all the NVIDIA graphic cards and everything, right? Where DeepSeek comes in, shoots it, and blows everyone around everyone. Okay. So LLM basically does the next token prediction, which is where the reasoning things are important. The most important thing that ChatGPT is not optimal for the complex problem. I'll show you also that if you basically give a lot of complex problems with the ChatGPT and everything, right, it basically sucks. There is no reasoning at all, which means reasoning models are someone like, for example, they think like yourself. Like these are like people, for example, whenever you give a prompt, right, he will basically think that, okay, yes, these are the problems, these are the things that I need to research, I need to basically check. It's very similar to, for example, if you have a problem, you discuss with your friends and everything, then you basically consolidate and you solve the problem, right? Similarly, the reasoning model, basically, that's how they work. Okay, so this is exactly what the DeepSeek is, and that's why it is now beating everyone to the ground, especially ChatGPT on this. Okay, Sam Altman, which is the OpenAI ChatGPT owner and basically CEO, right, who's there, he also basically is very interested that, okay, now we have a real competitors around this, right? So now let's see how you can run it privately, 100% local. Guys, why private is important? See, private is important because, see, these are Chinese model. Of course, Trump and everyone which is concerned because the data that we might be transferring to the Chinese companies and everything. But no, I'm running right now. Here, if you can see, I'm running right now the 40 billion one parameter DeepSeek right now. And here I'm running the 5 billion one also. So on the chat, on the ones, right? So I'm showing you both of them, how exactly easy, super easy it is to develop, right? Or even basically use it, right? So let me show you the comparison. So this is one of the basically create a test plan on a ChatGPT, which I have shown in my generative AI session. If you have seen my generative AI session where we have done the ChatGPT and everything, if you have not seen, please look into the generative AI series, free series, how exactly you have to learn as a QA, right? So here, this is the one where we have prepared a test plan with the ChatGPT, which was given like this, right? But when you use 671 billion parameters, DeepSeek, right? Can you imagine what is the response that you will get? You will get a response which I really wanted, which is objective, scope, types of testing amazingly, inclusion, exclusion, test environment, defect reporting, test strategy, test schedule, test level, exit criteria, tools, risk mitigation, approvals, and everything, which is amazing. It is exactly what I was looking for, to be honest, right? And this is what we have done. So this is why I told you, right? This is why it is very, very important that you should know how exactly it is done. So this is one of the application which I have basically given the demo that, okay, this was the test plan that you need to generate, and it is amazing. So how exactly you can run it on your system? Let's see. The first one is basically you need to download Ollama, which is very simple. Just go to Ollama download, and just go to the Mac. If you have a Mac, just if you have Windows, just download this, which is a very simple instructions. I have already seen like how exactly you can run DeepSeek by using Ollama into your system, right? It is available on Reddit also, but I'll show you practically how it is done. Just download it, which is very simple one. Just you need to download and run a command on a command prompt. So if you're using a Mac, you need to use terminal. If you're using Windows, then you need to use CMD. You will see Ollama is running by, if you see this icon, Llama icon. Okay. So here we have 1.5 version, 8 version, 14 version, 32 version, 72 version, and the version which you cannot run is 671, which is very big. But definitely if you go to chat.deepseek.com, you can basically use it for free here, which is almost similar to ChatGPT Pro. Can you imagine like not paying $20 per month and use it right here? So just download this Ollama. What you need to do is just download it, and 2 commands you need to run. Okay, I'll show you also. So first, when you have downloaded, after that you just need to run the command. For example, here is the 5B, which is the 5 billion parameters one. I'll tell you what is the difference between B and everything, right? The more B's that you have, it will give you a better answer. I'll give you a simple example. So for example, if you run it, I have already downloaded, so you can see it is already downloaded. Now what you need to do is just download the chat box. Okay, this is the simplest one. Guys, you don't need to download the Chatbox AI. I just download this, and the moment you download, it will automatically figure it out. For example, it will automatically go to settings. Here you need to just select the Ollama API. Now, what exactly we are doing? We are basically have a UI right now, a local UI, which will basically run the Ollama right now. Not Ollama, sorry, DeepSeek AI into our system. See, you can, of course, you can use here. For example, here you can say like write a program. For example, generate a program for example factorial in Java, right? Of course here you can use it, but this interface does not look good. So here you can see it is reasoningly basically doing it, and it will give you the answer of factorial with the edge cases and everything, which is the 5 billion one which we are running right now. And of course it will see, you can see that how much information or a reasoning it exactly doing. It is exactly handling the edge cases, exactly basically doing everything, and it will basically give you the answer in it. Right, but again, rather than using here, which I think it's very difficult to understand also, because it's a command line directly that you are running with Ollama, right? Here, what you can do here is instead, like, let it run in the behind, like rather than typing simply, it basically gives you a lot of. Ollama is, if it's already running, it will automatically fetch the API host and everything. You just need to click save, and here you can see there is a new chat window which is available, and here you can ask the same question, right? For example, write a factorial program, which I think which makes more sense, factorial program in Java, right? Which I think makes more sense. So here it is telling you that I am running a DeepSeek. We have 5 billion, right? So here it is basically thinking about it. It will basically give you, and of course, in the meantime and everything, it will give you the results. So I think this is the factorial program that it has written with the edge cases and everything, right? But again, let me show you the difference. For example, if you download something called as GPT for all, right? It's a free, of course. And here, click on models. And here you can click on add models. You can basically download if you have a 16 GB of RAM, I have like 48 GB of RAM. So if RAM required is 16 GB. So if you need, you can download the 14 billion version also. I have already downloaded. Just click on download and click on chat. And here you can select from the drop down which one you want. And this one gives you the exactly which I wanted. For example, create a test plan for this. And this is locally, right now I'm running. No data is going anywhere and all. So this is basically DeepSeek R1 running. And this is the beautiful, you can see test plan which is generated into system. For example, right now I have a 48 GB of RAM, and I am easily able to run 14 billion. You can easily able to run even the 70 billion also. So here in the models, when you see, right, it will tell you like how much RAM is required for you guys to run. For example, here if you click on add, you can run other models also, guys. For example, see, again, you don't need the like 671 billion one are using one, because that is like a pro one, because that cannot be run on the single computer. It's cannot. I have even tried it. It does not. So you need to use some multiple servers with the what we call graphic cards and everything that is there, right? So, but the basic one which you are see 3 GB RAM required and everything, you can definitely run easily. Both easy say it will be. It can run. So you can use Chatbox, even the GPT-4Lal, and there is something called as Anything LLM also. So there are multiple tools which are available, which you can basically set up. For example, if you install the Anything LLM, it is super simple. The moment you do this, it will automatically recognize that which you have locally installed. So we have already installed DeepSeek, so it has basically known. If you go to the chat setting, it will know that, okay, I'm using Ollama and DeepSeek 5.1 version is already installed, right? So here, and of course, how to create a 3x3 matrix, and this is the answer it has given, which is locally running. So I have shown you 3 ways how exactly you can run locally into your system, which is, I think it's a good thing, simplest one, right, where you can use it, right? Of course, there is some web UI, open UI is also which are available for Ollama, but I think these are very simple. I find it GPT-4Lal simplest one, which is like just click on download and use it. You don't have to install Ollama and anything at all. But if you have installed Ollama, and you can use Anything LLM, which is free of cost, and Chatbox also, which is also free of cost, but it will charge you for some time afterwards. But again, you don't need that. That is important, right? So here, and of course, if you want to use fully 671 billion, one, definitely use the ChatGPT open version, which is hosted in US, I think so, right, that you can directly use. So this is all about how exactly privately you can use it. I hope the video was helpful. More videos are coming, where upcoming videos will be how exactly you can create AI agents, which will test your websites. I will be showing you how exactly this VStack demo, I am basically testing out how exactly we can test this application by using AI agent, which will be doing the exact things with the Playwright scripts, even the Selenium scripts, how exactly it can done, mostly with the Playwright scripts, by the way, or Puppeteer, right, that you can use. Those things are coming. Let me know if you find this video interesting. All the instruction and everything I'm going to show you, even the prompt, which I'm going to show you. Instruction will be given in the links. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. This link I will share with you. Just comment AI in the chat, and definitely I'll give you the links. 100 likes and 100 comments target. Let's do that, and I'll see you. And this is how you run your DeepSeek with me. Okay, easily.